the real value of this new space, including the brand new dining experience and the integrated exhibit experience. It's multi-layered. You can get fresh, healthy, delicious food in this space. And then you can learn so much more about food.
As a healthcare leader, we understand that there's a twofold strategy. There is the care that you get when you get into the hospital, and there's the care that you provide for yourself before you get to the hospital. That preventative care is largely based on the food that you eat. This Science Center partnership between Orlando Health, between the Four Roots Foundation, is extremely important to the health of our community overall.
Where we're standing right now is the Four Roots Café, first cafe that we've ever opened. And this is actually what we call an expression of the Four Roots farm that we're building to educate the community and educate students about where food comes from and the importance of the agriculture industry, and especially in the state of Florida.
Most people think their food comes from the grocery store, and so it really is great to educate, help raise the awareness, and to have some fun and engage in it, which is really what I think the Science Center team does best.